Hello, little friends. So glad you're here today. We're off on an adventure. Hip, hip, hooray! Today we'll tell a tale of waves and the sea, a surfing story for you and for me. There once was a boy named Finn, so small, who dreamed of the ocean standing up tall. He watched the big surfers with smiles so wide as they danced on the waves with the ocean's tide. He longed for a surfboard bright blue and so new, to paddle and glide like the big surfers do. He imagined the sunshine, the salty sea spray, riding a wave at the end of the day. One sunny morning, a gift he did find, a brand new surfboard of the very best kind. He waxed it with care, 'cause that's what you do, then ran to the beach with his dream coming true. With sand in his toes and a skip in his stride, he gazed at the ocean, so vast and so wide. The waves whispered secrets. Come play! Come play! Finn paddled out bravely, without delay. He lay on his board, and he kicked with his feet, past little fish swimming, a wonderful treat. He saw a big wave rolling in from afar. This is my chance, he thought, like a shining bright star. He tried to stand up, with a wobble and splash. Down he went tumbling in a watery dash. He giggled and sputtered, then popped up his head. That was quite fun, was what little Finn said. He tried once again with a mighty big push, but down he went quickly with a watery whoosh. The ocean just chuckled with foam all around, as Finn splashed and played without making a sound. A friendly old dolphin, with a wink and a flip, swam close to young Finn, from his nose to his lip. Keep trying, young friend, don't you ever give in. The joy of the ocean is waiting within. So Finn took a breath, and he focused his sight on a beautiful wave, bathed in morning's soft light. He paddled and pushed with a mighty strong pull. Then up he popped quickly, feeling happy and full. He stood on his board like a king on his throne, the wind in his hair, not feeling alone. The wave carried him with a gentle, soft sway. What a wonderful feeling to surf and to play! He rode to the shore with a cheer and a shout. I did it! I did it! He happily called out. The seagulls all cheered, and the sun shone so bright. Finn's heart filled with joy and a wonderful light. He surfed all that morning and all afternoon too, with waves big and small and skies bright and blue. He learned how to balance and turn with a glide, with the ocean his friend right there by his side. The ocean taught Finn, with its ebb and its flow, that trying and trying helps good feelings grow. And even if you tumble and splash in the foam, you can always get up and find your way home, to the joy of the waves and the sun's warm embrace, with a smile on your face at your own happy pace. So if you have a dream, like Finn and his board, just keep on trying, your efforts rewarded. Thank you for listening, my dear little friends. Until our next story, where the fun never ends. If you liked our tale, give a thumbs up, it's true. And maybe subscribe for more fun just for you.